Mi nuevo amigo de Perú. Okay, no hay comida. Qué tierno. Y podemos va a algún lado con él. ¿Qué tal? Es mi vida en Perú. In the background. ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué haces? And then over here, we got a little farm for all the food that we eat here in the villa. It's an old boat that we used to use for crocodile hunting. So they'll catch crocodile to make them into ceviche, which is kind of like a sushi, crocodile sushi. And the chickens just grown here. Yeah, pretty cool, right? So my friend here is super friendly. Just comes around, follow humans. Here's a vida. Vámonos. Stop. Ooh, new pose.